Okay. Why is it on channel? Oh, it's the tuner. Okay. I did rewind this. It does eject. Fast forwards too. I don't know how many videos I've seen of repairs on these 12 volt vids did work. Did Sony repair work for 40 years or so. Did rewind, which is nice. Whoops. Beautiful VFD, look how bright it is. It's not that bright in person, but it's bright enough. Hell, it's brighter than the Hitachi VCR VFD. Turn the light off. Crap, where's the play button? Oh, let me grab my phone for a flashlight since we're actually using a camera to film this. Yeah, I know it sucks, but it's more stable. We have 60 FPS now. Playing. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. It's just playing perfectly.
Hello, it's Christmas time. Hello, Nani.
Merry Christmas.
Soon. Today is the 9th. Oh my god, this thing works.
Yeah, let's look over here.
I don't have the remote.
Mom, it's December the 24th, 1982.
This thing just freaking works. I can't even find a VCR this old that works.
Jessica, the poo. One more.
Got this from a lady named Sue.
What are you doing in here, Mom?
I'm wondering why you got the hammer on such a high,
I'm just going
Yes,
to
some
start
light.
going down to 175.
I'm going to look at my trophies. It's supposed to be there for 2 hours.
No, just put it on 175. Turn it, man. How bud?
Yeah, we'll go with
Say Falcons.
Yeah, in a minute. Let's look at Mom over here. What you cooking, Mom?
You see people doing this these days with smartphones.
175 for 2 hours.
That's all right.
Sure, people could do that, but you know, when cameras were somewhat new and affordable. Well, in the 90s, of course, they were, I
Here's
think.
some more nice room. Mom's fixed off real nice.
You don't see that on a flat panel, the Comet Tails or whatever you call that.
Just because we haven't seen our house in a while.
I could ID that, but it's not coming to mind. Got a TV in your room? Ooh, was that an intercom? Those are freaking awesome. Most of this house had those.
Is that your birthday present?
Yeah. I'm probably getting a CD player for my Christmas visit.
Probably not. Turn it up. Let's hear it.
What is it?
Wow.
No, it's not the radio. We literally heard this song on the radio going to pick this freaking TV up, and this thing was here too.
We will.
Chills. Like, what the hell are the chances of that?
Dad!
Yeah, Jess.
Yeah, give it a red.
What, Jessica?
Said turn it off, zoom in on it.
Brad started eating our banana plant.
Yeah?
Let's go in my room. Brad started eating the banana
He
plant.
must be hungry. You gotta feed him.
Well, I could get a girlfriend to wear a shirt like that. Well, what the hell does that mean? What a weirdo.
See, the banana plant had moved. And he started eating one
Oh, they just
side.
push on it.
No, I mean, I'm serious. He started eating it.
This thing just freaking works. I can't
And
believe
I
it.
see you've been feeding him.
1985.
Why do you say that?
Because this isn't there.
Oh man, oh, Rose, the most revealing type.
Me commenting on her shirt. I found one like that that's kind of gray at a thrift store. I'll be wearing it soon. Perfect weather for it.
I'll do everything just for you, Dad, just to make you.
What's that, Jessica?
Yes!
Roger? Yes. Reach up there and there's a red car.
He looks like a
that says
Roger.
Naughty. Would you get up, Naughty?
Jessica.
He's probably in his 80s now. She's probably not around, unfortunately.